Hello everyone, happy to see you here. Today we have a really interesting algebra question. We know that a plus b equal to 10 and the product a times b equal to 12. We need to solve this question for a and b, so if you have your solution, your assumption, you can also write it in the comments below and then we will check our answers. Okay, so first of all, from first equation, let's express b. So b equal to 10 minus a. This is our first step. From first equation, we have the next expression. So b equal to 10 minus a. I hope you understand it. Right now, let's plug in, instead of this b right here, let's plug in 10 minus a to the second equation. So from a second equation, what do we have? We have a times, instead of b, we plug in 10 minus a. So times 10 minus a and equal to 12. Right now, let's solve this equation. This is a quadratic equation. It looks like that. So let's continue. So we have 10a, 10a minus a times a square, and minus 12 from the right side. So we have minus 12 equal to 0. Right now, let's change an order because this is a quadratic equation. Here we have square. So right now, let's change an order real quick. So first of all, on the first position, minus a square. The next, plus 10a, and minus 12 from here. So minus 12 equal to 0. And final, really great step is to multiply or divide both sides by minus 1. Extremely helpful trick, because right now we have a classic order of signs. So we have addition, so a square, not like minus a square. So we have a square minus 10a and plus 12. And plus 12 equal to 0. And right now, let's solve this equation with the basic method of coefficients. Everyone should know about this method. So with a result a equal to 1 from here, b equal to minus 10, the second coefficient, and the third one, so coefficient c equal to 12. Really great. So we have three coefficients, and right now let's find real quick our discriminant, and let's solve it for a first and a second. So our discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac, and let's plug in. We know everything, so we have b squared, so minus 10 squared, we know it. So we have minus 10 square, so b square, minus 4 times a times 1 and times c times 12. As a result, what do we have? We have 100 from here, so 100, minus 48 from here. So as a result, our discriminant is equal to 52. Discriminant is greater than 0, so at this branch we have two real number root, and let's find it. First of all, a first and a second, our classic formula, minus b plus minus square root of discriminant and all over to a. So let's plug in. So we have minus b minus 10 plus minus square root of 52 and all over 2 times 1. Really great. Right now, two negative signs. We have positive, so we have 10 plus minus this square root of 52. This is not a table case, yeah? But we can express this 52 as 4 times 13. Let's do it and divide it by 2. Okay, I hope you understand it. The next thing, let's simplify this. So we have 10 plus minus square root of 4 times 13. So we can write it as square root of 4 times square root of 13, because there is a really interesting property. You can easily see this property. For example, right here, I'm gonna write it when you have square root of a times b. You can write it as square root of a times square root of b. You can also have three variables, a, b, and c, but I hope you understand it. In our case, we have only two constant. So right now we have 10 plus minus square root of 4 equal to 2 square root of 13 and all over 2. Really great. So I hope you understand this step. And in the end, let's do really tricky move. Let's divide it by 2. So let's factor 2 from numerator. In parentheses, we have 5 plus minus square root of 13. And we divide it by 2. As a result, we can easily cancel these 2. And our final answer, 5 plus minus square root of 13. So this is our a first and a second. Don't forget about b, because right here where do we have it? We need to remember this one, b equal to 10 minus a. So I'm gonna write as a full solution to this question. I'm gonna do this thing. First of all, I want to write a first equal to, let's go with the plus sign. So we have 5 plus square root of 13, and let's write the second one. So a second equal to 5 minus square root of 13. Right now, as I said before, really important moment, because b equal to 10 minus a. And right now let's find b second, b first, and b second. Okay, so let's do this right now. First of all, let's find, for example, b first. So b first equal to 10 minus a first. Yeah, and let's plug in it. So we have b first equal to 10 minus a first, 5 plus square root of 13. Okay, so b first equal to 10 minus 5 and minus square root of 13. So as a result, 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So b first equal to 5 minus square root of 13. As you can see, we have like a symmetrical answer, because right here 5 plus square root of 13 and 5 minus square root of 13, and we don't need to find exactly to solve it for b second, because we will have absolutely the same thing. So b second is also symmetrical to this 5 minus square root of 13, so b equal to 5 plus square root of 13, but maybe a lot of students have problems with it, so we can also write a classic answer, so 10 minus a second, and the same principle. So b second equal to 10 minus a second, 5 minus square root of 13, and in this case we have b second equal to the same beginning 10 minus 5, but right here we have plus square root of 13, yeah? So b second equal to 5 plus square root of 13. And right now let's write our final answer, and then we're gonna check it real quick. So first of all, our final answer, and in the end, so we have our answer. So our first pair, 5 plus square root of 13, 5 minus square root of 13, and second pair, 5 minus square root of 13 and 5 plus square root of 13. So these are two pairs, and right now let's check real quick our answer. First of all, let's write real quick our question. So we have a plus b equal to 10 and ab equal to 12. Right now let's check, for example, our sum, our addition, and you don't need to check both of these answers, both of these pairs, because we have addition sign, so it doesn't matter. And moreover, we have a symmetrical answer, so we can easily choose, for example, this option or this one. We have absolutely great answer, and we can also use this as b or this as b, or a and b, so we can combine all of this because we have addition. So we can write, for example, let's apply it to this first parenthesis. So 5 plus square root of 13, this is our a, plus b, 5 minus square root of 13, and this one need to be equal to 10, and that's it. We have square root of 13, we can easily cancel. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. And in the end, let's check real quick our multiplication. Of course, if you interested, you can also check this pair, but we will have absolutely the same thing. We're gonna cancel the square root of minus 13 with this one. Okay, so right now let's check let's check our multiplication. So we have 5 plus square root of 13, and the same principle. We don't need to check both of these pairs. We can also check this one, because a times b is the same sorry, as b times a. So we have a times b, 5 minus square root of 13. This one equal to 12. Let's check it. And a lot of students might be thinking, okay, we need to multiply parenthesis by parenthesis, but this is a classic school formula. I hope you remember the formula. For example, let's go with x and y. So we have x squared minus y squared equal to x minus y times x plus y. Okay, and we have absolutely the same thing. X plus y, x minus y. So this is our difference of squares. So we have 5 squared minus square root of 13 square equal to 12, and I hope you see that answer is absolutely correct, because from here 5 square equal to 25 minus 13 right here to the second power equal to square root of 13 to the second power equal to 13, and we have 12. Okay, so this is our answer to this question. Everything is great. And also, if you have problems with it, you can also check, you can also practice and check this pair. You will have absolutely the same result, because we absolutely with the same principle, we're going to cancel this square root of 13, and we have absolutely the same 10, because addition, we can easily change the positions. It's not about subtraction and division. But when you have a times b, this is the same as b times a. Okay, so I hope you understand this quick trick. Okay, so this is my solution to this question. I really hope you understand it. You can also pause the video and try to think a little bit about this solution. But this is not a hard question. I just want to solve this question step by step. So that's why we solve a basic quadratic equation. So basically, this is a question about a quadratic equation. So if you have problems with the quadratic equation, you can also pause this video and try to solve this question. On your own. And in the end, maybe if you're interested in this answer, because I find so this is like alternate answer. I'm gonna write it right now, because 5 plus square root of 13. So let's do it like right here. Because when you plug in it in your calculator, you can also think that this is equal to 8.6 and 1.4 if you're interested in a decimal answer, and 1.4 and 8.6. So these are two answers. This is maybe you're sitting on your exam, and this is absolutely enough for you because you can't apply a calculator. But if you're interested, this is our answer in terms of like a decimal values. Okay, we have absolutely the same thing, but in a different interpretation. So thank you everyone for your time. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. I really hope you understand my solution. If you still have any problems, if you still have any question, write a question in the comments below. It will be really interesting to read about it, to exchange information. And yeah, thank you for your time. Have a great day. See you in the next videos.